Here's a clear step-by-step guide to install an HP SmartTank printer works for most SmartTank models like 500, 600, 700 series. Part 1. Unbox and prepare the printer. 1. Unbox the printer. Remove all tapes, plastic covers, and packing materials. Open all doors and check inside for protective materials. 2. Connect the power. Plug the power cord into the printer and a wall outlet. Turn on the printer using the power button. 3. Set basic preferences. Use the printer control panel to select section language, section country/region, section date and time if prompted. Part 2. Fill ink tanks, very important. 4. Open the ink tank lids. Lift the ink tank cover on the printer. 5. Fill ink bottles. Match each bottle color with the correct tank. Section black tank. Section Cyan blue tank. Section Magenta pink tank. Section yellow tank. Insert the bottle upside down and let it drain completely. Do not squeeze the bottle. 6. Close ink lids. Once filled, close the tank caps and the main ink cover. Part 3. Load paper. 7. Load plain paper. Pull out the paper tray. Load A4 or letter size paper. Adjust the paper guides. Push the tray back in. Part 4. Install print heads if required. 8. Open print head access door. Wait for the carriage to move to the center. 9. Insert print heads. Remove protective caps from the print heads. Insert. Section black print head, black slots. Section color print head, color slot. Close the latch and access door. 10. Printer alignment. The printer may automatically print an alignment page. Place the page on the scanner glass and follow on-screen instructions. Part 5. Install software Windows Mac. 11. Go to HP Setup. So on your computer, open a browser, visit 123, hp.com. 12. Download HP Smart. Enter your printer model, for example, HP SmartTank 515. Download and install the HP Smart app. 13. Run HP Smart. Open the app and click Set up a new printer. Follow on-screen instructions. Part 6. Connect printer. Option A, Wi-Fi recommended. 14. Select wireless setup in HP Smart. 15. Choose your Wi-Fi network. 16. Enter Wi-Fi password. 17. Wait for confirmation. Option B, USB temporary or permanent. 14. Connect USB cable only when prompted by HP Smart. Part 7, test printing. 18. Setup is complete.